So hello, I'm Mark Simpson, President and CEO of Triveni Digital, and want to talk to you about some of our latest developments here at Triveni. We think this is a really exciting time in the broadcast industry. Broadcasters are challenged with getting their content onto an increasing variety of platforms. The problem with that challenge is the historical business model. Costs do not ramp up as users increase. In the new platforms, costs tend to ramp up. Delivery costs associated with reaching these different platforms over the internet. So our initiatives are aimed at a world where broadcasters can leverage their key assets. And those assets are the power of their transmission infrastructure, but also their local content. How can that be better monetized? How can that be more cost effectively delivered? And we think that the industry, by coming together on certain open initiatives and key components here, can together create an environment for the local broadcaster to really advance their business substantially forward. Another aspect of what's going on, we think, just of the climate, is that where does that small local business put its message out today? In the past, newspapers created a great opportunity for creating a message for a local small business. Today, the only local businesses that can get the message out on TV really are the large broadcasters. So by having a platform that allows more targeting of messages to smaller populations, you can have the local businesses of a smaller scale spend money on TV. So we're trying to work with others in the industry to create a new platform that takes advantages of both these assets that the local broadcaster segment has and the opportunities that we think they face and challenges. So some of the more recent developments from us are our GuideBuilder product line, most popular PSIP generator in the broadcast segment. Basically sends metadata for event schedules and electronic programming guides. Well, in the future, we think that becomes a lot more granular, a lot more kinds of information to feed these new kinds of applications. First step is GuideBuilder 5, which has a completely redone foundation. The code has been optimized and really positioned for growth into the next version of this, which is GuideBuilder Plus. And GuideBuilder Plus will focus on the extension of the metadata role beyond the event information like titles and descriptions to more micro information about specific aspects of what's being aired or what's being viewed. And many different aspects can be delivered, and we'll be working with broadcasters on that, and some of them are listed here. A very major initiative for us is our advanced content distribution architecture and various components thereof. Really, it's ATSC 2.0. ATSC 2.0 creates a new platform for delivering new types of services very cost effectively for the broadcaster. There's a number of components. Fortunately for us, several of these components leverage existing technology and products we've been shipping for years and that we are the leaders in. But there's extensions, and there's elements that we really plan to focus on in partnership with the whole broadcast industry. So one of the areas we're planning to work with others on is our Open MediaHub initiative. What this does is an open source software piece that allows broadcasters to pre-position media content in the home. This will get, we think, baked into a number of different consumer devices, creating an environment for everyone to uplift and grow their business around. In addition, our Skyscraper platform is used to deliver content over the air, thereby saving a lot of costs. One of the key challenges broadcasters have if they move into the online world is cost of delivery. As you deliver your content to each viewer, your costs ramp up. So I'm just going to talk a bit about our Avisor local media viewing platform concept demonstration we have. What this does is it allows viewers to find local media content, local television content of interest all in one place. So in concept, you come to this screen, a number of channels would be present. Perhaps you're interested in this channel here. Up comes their screen, which they kind of control. In one viewing mode, you could be watching the live news telecast. And prior to the story you're on now, maybe other stories have run. You could go back and view them if you happen to miss them or want to see it again. Increasingly, viewers want to have this kind of control of what they view quite often. So this platform provides a way to position ads and localize them for where the viewer happens to be, which is the new business model, new revenue streams are possible. It also provides a way to leverage this open MediaHub initiative we talked about, where the broadcaster is pre-positioning content of interest and doing that in a extremely cost-effective way in comparison to just internet delivery. So this type of viewing model is increasingly what customers expect. And so what we want to do is work with the rest of the industry to create some of the architectural elements and together move forward around new business models that ATSC 2.0 enables. Check us out on the web, of course, at trivenidigital.com, and please talk to us if you want to get involved in some of this advanced work.